Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You are going to love the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, inflatable seat belts, rear, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.